Welcome to our Microsoft PowerPoint Part 2 tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to describe about the formatting option in Microsoft PowerPoint. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, we need to create some shapes. As you can see, some shapes here. If you want to know how to create these interesting shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint, I recommend you to see my previous tutorial part 1. That link is given in the description box below. So first of all, I'm going to describe about the shadow option. So to apply the shadow on your shape, click the particular shape and right click on your mouse, go to format shape, and to apply the shadow on your shape, choose the first option as you can see here and click this icon and fill shadow. Here you can see a lot of angle, outer shadow, inner shadow, and perspective. You can fill the inner shadow also like this, and you can customize your transparency from this option like this. Or if you want to fill the background shadow, choose this option, outer, like this, and you can customize your shadow as well. If you want to apply the shadow for these two shapes, first of all, select the particular shape and go to shadow. This time this angle is perfect for this shape, I think, like this. And for this shape, choose this option. As you can see, the angle is something like this. To fill color on your shape, first select the particular shape and go to fill option. If you want to fill no color on your shape, select the first option, no fill, like this. Or if you want to fill solid color, choose the second option, click this icon and change your color as you want, like this. Okay. If you want to fill the gradient color on your shape, select the third option and fill your gradient color as you want, like this. You can change the color as well from here. Click this icon and change the color as you want, like this. If you want to add some extra color effect here, click this point here and change the color like this. But for this shape, two-step color is perfect. So for that, if you want to fill the picture or texture on your shape, choose this option. Okay, here you will get some preset texture. You can fill from here like this. Or if you want to fill picture on your shape, click here and insert your picture on your PC. Select the picture and insert like this. Or if you want to fill the pattern on your shape, select this option. Here you will get some preset pattern like this. You can change the pattern as well, like this. Okay. Also you can apply the background color also. You can select this option, background color automatically fill. After that, I'm going to describe about 3D option. So to apply the 3D option on your shape, first of all I am changing the color for this shape. so that the 3D option can visual easily. Click here and select the 3D format like this. You can apply the 3D shape from here, as you can see here. Okay, I'm going to back. If you want to apply some reflection on your shape, you go to reflection option and click this icon and add the reflection on your shape like this. It can be applicable for any kinds of shape like this. Okay, so thank you so much all of you guys. See you soon with my other tutorials coming soon. Till then, keep practicing, also have a relax. Guys, I recommend you to subscribe my channel and also to hit the bell button immediately so that you can get the notification of my new tutorials coming soon. Till then, keep waiting and take care.